Hello guys, if you want to take your Road to Glory player from College Football 27 and bring them over to Madden 27, the process is pretty simple, but there are a few things you need to check first. First, play through your Road to Glory career until your player is eligible to leave for the NFL. You can play through the seasons normally or simulate them, but make sure you keep an eye on your academics, health and fitness. If your academics fall too low, you could become ineligible to play and that can hurt your progress and draft projection. Once you're ready to leave college, before selecting the option to leave for the NFL, make sure you're signed into your EA account inside College Football 27. You should see your EA username on the screen. If the game is asking you to sign in, get that fixed first, otherwise the export can fail. Now select leave for the NFL and you'll get the option to either retire from college football or export your player to Madden NFL 27. Choose export player to Madden, confirm it and wait for the export to finish. You should see a message saying the export was successful. After that, close College Football 27 and launch Madden NFL 27. Before importing, make sure you are signed into the same E account here as well. Then go into Superstar mode, start a new Superstar career and make sure to select same player position your Road to Glory player had. You should see an option to import your Road to Glory player. Select it, choose your exported player and you will be able to see their information, stats, awards and import bonuses. The game also carries over things like your player's name, number, height and college. Finally, confirm the import, complete your build and continue through the Superstar setup. Your College Football 27 Road to Glory player is now ready to begin their NFL career in Madden 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.